Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney, and welcome to the start of Guardianship Week. Yes, you heard me right. Guardianship Week. This Thursday, I will be a lecturer, a presenter at the Queens County Bar Association on the topic of elder law. And I have a specific topic within elder law, and that is the psychological and social concerns of older and or disabled persons. So I have written material here. Right? That's a picture of, I think it's Rosamund Pike, and that was from the movie. It's a Netflix movie. I forgot the name. I'll get the name this week. Where there was a Netflix movie which showed that in California, an unscrupulous attorney and an unscrupulous doctor got together and took advantage of people. They got them appointed guardians without them even knowing, and the court was unaware. And so I tied that in to my what my talk will be about, and that could not happen in New York because a couple of things for today. When you have a guardianship proceeding, the process, a hearing is required. And in New York, as opposed to California or other places, we have a specific role called the court evaluator. And the court evaluator is the eyes and ears of the court. And that person will interview the alleged incapacitated person, interview probably the petitioner and other important people, necessary parties that are in the life of this alleged incapacitated person. And as such, we really can safeguard the person's interests. So for today, and the start of Guardianship Week, I'm going to mention 3 points, and then each day this week I'll give a little bit more. In simple terms, guardianship is handled by the mental hygiene law in New York. It's known as Article 81. It's the statute that determines how one person can apply and become the guardian of another person. So, a couple of points. The guardianship statute, this Article 81, does not address age. A person has to be an adult, so over the age of 18. But even though this is generally in the area of elder law, it's because the persons that potentially, possibly, actually need a guardian skew older. Doesn't mean couldn't be a younger person, but it tends to skew older because of the onset of Alzheimer's, dementia, stroke, other conditions that affect the capacity of people. Second thing, it does not actually list specific disabilities. So it doesn't say if you have this condition or that circumstance. It doesn't list Alzheimer's or dementia, even though that is I want to say the majority of cases because of the issues related to capacity, but it doesn't mention those specific illnesses in the statute. And it is based entirely on the functionality. So the functionality of the alleged incapacitated person. What can they do, and within a certain context. And all this week, I'll be breaking it down for you. If you have any issues related to guardianship or issues related to our senior population, please reach out to me. FrankBrunoLaw.com.